Okay guys, we're going to do the second part of the place markers tutorial here. We're going to talk about adding images, video, and HTML tags to your place mark bubbles. Okay, let's start with the HTML tags. This is an example of what a bubble ought to look like. And the way to create that is by right-clicking. Let's just start from scratch. Add a place mark. Find a view. This view is nice. Wait. There we go. Okay. Now add the place marker. Label it Swicket. Okay. Add some text. Great. Now, in order for you to get your HTML points, you're going to have to add at least one break element and one paragraph element. That will make your text look beautiful. An element is made up of an opening tag, which is an open caret, and then inside this opening tag is a P, which stands for paragraph, and then closing tag. That means everything after that point is a paragraph. Then to tell it, okay, my paragraph's done, you close the element by adding a closing tag. Open caret / P close caret. Okay, you do that for all of your paragraphs, and that will create a space in between all of your lines of text. Great. Let's say you wanted an additional line in between your paragraphs. In the editing view here, it doesn't matter how many lines you include. All that matters is the HTML. So this element is called a break element, and it's the same as a carriage return. Okay, that's that. Now, let's go on to adding a video. So this paragraph tag will automatically create a space beneath that text, and then I go out to YouTube and I type in HBLL, what is it? Something spice. There it is. If I'm looking for specifically YouTube videos, you can, in your Google search, you can click on videos, search tools, any source, YouTube videos. Okay.
Hello, scholars.
That's the one. So you scroll down and click on the share button, embed, and if you want more options, like customize the size, you can do that, and it updates here. Control A will copy all, or excuse me, select all, and Control or Command C will copy that. And then you come in here and you drop that piece of code. It's called an iframe right there at the bottom. Now on a Mac, you're just going to see a black box. Okay. Oh, I'm glad that was a pedagogical strategy. You're not going to see a black box because you have to add a little piece of code in here. In the source area, src equals open quotation mark, you need to add https : before the / www. Okay, that will tell Google Earth that this source is from a secure website. Okay, finally, your image. Because you're going to be showing this just in the classroom, you can use whatever images that you want. You don't need permission to use those if you can argue fair use. However, if you are going to be publishing this to the world, it's better to either use your own images or get permission, or use an image that has been licensed to share. Let me just give you a quick reminder of how to do that. If you forgot, just do a Google search for Creative Commons images, and you'll find this website, search.creativecommons.org. That is the best resource that you can use. BYU Swicket. Oh, yeah, and Wikipedia was selected over there. You just click on one of those image libraries there, and this one looks good. So then you click on use this file, and there's your URL. Okay. Now, granted, this is a 3,000 pixel URL, and so I'm going to copy that, put the cursor where you want it, click Add Image, paste the URL, and voila. For the sake of visibility, I'm just going to create a few little spaces there. This is an image tag. The source is equal to what is ever inside of the quotation marks, and then after the source, or after the close parentheses, you add what's called an attribute to your image element. One of these attributes is called width. So you just type width equals open quotation mark and then the pixel size that you want, 500. Okay, so now that should look good. Okay.